Hi everyone, my name is Constanza and I am here to help you find workwear that fits. I work in environmental consulting, and during my time working out on site and in the field, I realized that there is a real lack of resources for us women to find good gear that's going to last, that's not pink, and that's going to work well with us while we're doing our hard work. So I kind of took it upon myself to try out gear, see what's good, see what's not, and put out some real life reviews for you to check out. I run a few different social media channels under the handle Technically a Tech. You can find me on Instagram. My TikTok needs a little bit of love, so go follow me there as well. And you'll find a lot of longer style review videos here on my YouTube. Ness, come on. Sit. Good. Today we're going to be talking about the Rolling D Home Farm Parka in the color green. So Rolling D is a brand that is marketed more towards women that work in agriculture and farming, ranching, and those areas of expertise. As always, I will be including my measurements in the description box down below so that you can kind of compare the way the gear fits me to what it will maybe look like and fit on your body. Rolling D sent me this jacket in a size medium to try out for all of you. I really like this jacket. It is very warm. It's an insulated jacket. It is made on the outside of a sort of canvas material, and the inside is a quilted kind of polyester material that's going to keep you really warm. One reason I really like this jacket is because it has a very sleek design. When you feel it and touch it, you can tell that it's going to be really durable, and it has put up with some long days on site with me and kept me warm during work in the winter. But I've also worn it a bunch of times out on my daily walks, just around town in my jeans. It has a really sleek, elegant design that looks good whether you're on site or off site. So the jacket has our two standard pockets in the front, and they're zippered, which I really like because I can put my keys in there and not have to worry that they're gonna fall out. On the inside of the jacket, on both the right and left side, we have this little pocket that fits the phone really nicely, and I like that because it helps me keep my phone warm while it's really cold outside. We also have these drawstrings around the waist that will tighten the look of the waist and the back. The hood and the neck are lined with a fleece material that's really soft, so it's not scratching up on your face when you have it zipped up all the way. The sleeves also have adjustable snaps, so if you like a tighter sleeve fit, you just adjust it like that and it's a little bit more snug. And there's also an additional sleeve on the inside that fits really nicely around the wrist so that you're not getting wind in through the sleeve. I'm going to include links to all the gear that I talk about in this video in the description box below. And I'm also going to include any discount codes that I have available for you to use. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the Rolling D jacket that I talked about today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment box below. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting so many more workwear reviews. Talk to you all soon.